Hey guys, my name is Mousree and today we will learn that how to make this cool roller car game in Scratch. So yeah, this is my username FairyGuysss and I share a roller car game recently. I'm just going to make a video on it. So let's play the game. Yeah, we can see a car which is just moving with the help of two arrow keys, left and right arrows. We we can move, means the car can move, and if I cross uh, a obstacle, then it says the score increases. And you can make it, with the help of the tutorial you can make illusion game also. I will try to make an illusion game later, but now the game is roller car game. Yeah, 10. Sometimes it's very tough. That what we have to do, we have to it's tough. So like this, we have to do this, like this. Okay, and the obstacles are coming off every 5. Oh, I have to go there and like left. So let's make the game. Yeah, see inside. Yeah, sure. Now we have 3 sprites, and we can see that this car sprite is not here, it's down. We have to make sure that the car sprite must be down. Alright, I will try to give the link of the car. Okay, and this is the code of the car. Okay, let's go to the sprite 1. It's sprite 1, absolutely, it's in the middle. It's the illusion one, means it's just what we can see that this coming. So this is the sprite. So it has 2 scripts. One is this and 2 is this. Let's go to the traffic obstacle. Traffic obstacle is it's also here, down, but not too much down. Okay, because it's big. It has also 2 scripts. This is the code of the first script, and this is the second. And in the backdrop, oh man, so yeah guys, in the backdrop I use this gray color. Okay, so guys, this was today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and don't forget to follow in Scratch like FairyGuysss. And yeah, this is my username. Wait again. Oh, it was really tough. It's very beautiful game, yeah. You can easily make an illusion game, yeah. It's somewhat tough, but it's good. Bye bye guys. Oh man. Yeah guys, don't forget to comment here also, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Yeah. Oh, it's really tough. But it's cool guys. It's cool.